Okay, we should be live. Yeah, there's about 5 to 10, even 10 seconds delay. Well, this is nice because I can start by just talking to myself. Then we might talk to ChatGPT. We're using Claude for single shots at the moment, so and then we might talk to Gemini as well. And there's a few new things on the website that I'll quickly go over. Yes, you know, the whole purpose of this live streams is to develop the website. I can talk about other things as well. Yeah, I'll just share the link to the live stream on LinkedIn as well. Yes, a couple of things. We do have this chatbot coming onto the website as well. But that will be a long-term project. It's not working quite well at the moment. Yeah, we were training data for it and everything, scraping the website. Yeah, each web application will have this description, which will be essentially the prompt for developing it in any developing tool. Unfortunately, I don't see one for the chatbot. I must have lost it. Well, it would be in the ChatGPT previous conversations. Yeah, ChatGPT knows way too much about myself. Yeah, we were training data using these libraries. Yeah, from memory, it was started using some fancy NLP, was it neural language processing libraries that we got rid of eventually. So just to broader context, yeah. So we're developing this website on this YouTube channel. If you haven't checked it, go check it out. So the chatbot will eventually go onto the front page. You could essentially talk to the website. So currently you have this drop-down search that we are still testing. The feature tools are actually, yeah, there's a bit of a sneaky solution there. It's just the ones, the tools that have exclamation mark in the description. So you could have also got them. No, you couldn't have. Stefani. There is Stefani. What's called the search? Yeah, the regex search. Yeah, I'll have to start the chatbot from scratch. So currently you just have the regular tools. So if you have all tools, you select EEG, it shows you EEG, which will be essentially the same as selecting neurological EEG neural tools from dropdown. But there actually might be more included in that. Anyway, that's just basic search. can do feature tools and then EG. This will be the selected EG tools on the site. The thing about this HTML, the landing page became quite long, is 660 lines of code. And the problem with that is that we can't really put it into any of the LLMs. So if I do it in 4.0, yeah, I cannot add it to the canvas because it's too long. Don't actually know how much. I think it's just shorter, is it? No, still can't add it to the canvas. Nope. Nope. Okay, now I can. Okay, it's about half of it or something. Does Claude has a canvas? Option? So if I say edit in canvas, what will it do? What are you talking about? What React? Oh, it's really pissing me off. It's always defaulting to using React. It's crazy that way. What are you doing? It's really... Okay, how about... So we're not paying for AI Studio. Why there's too many... Too many options. The good thing, even if we're not paying for it, the token count is super large, 2 million. So this code, the landing page, the HTML code for the landing page is only 11,000 out of 2 million. Is it a reasoning model? because it's thinking for whopping 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12. What on earth? And it's not actually telling you what is it doing. Like trying to run it on a server or something. And it's the text to speech. No. And it took a whopping 60 seconds to generate this. Yeah, don't worry about the images. How do I... Yeah. There's no option to actually talk to this thing. Yeah, we do have a JavaScript. Yeah, we need to break it into a separate file, don't we? Because this landing page is already too long. To fix manually, unfortunately. That's how I look at it. But yeah, in the hearing here we have those let's open it locally as well so we can test. Let's have it in all tools, and the local one we have it in hearing. In all tools we expect something like the real-time speech. Should be hearing and speech. Can add the audio in there. Yeah, now it's working better. Yeah, we essentially need to make sure that all the description should we make LiveSpeak a featured as well? Yes, let's do it because I'm using it all the time as well. It will be easier for me to find it when I'm using my own website. I actually like Graphit as well. Now a question is, it doesn't come up on the simulations. It would be visualization as well, not to be confused with vision. Yeah, so it's not coming up. Graphit is not coming up anywhere. You would think this would be a perfect task for an LLM. It should be a separate. Yeah, so it's easy to edit something short like this in pretty much any LLM. Yeah, ideally we'll be placing it into a separate JSON file. Yeah, the placeholder. That's a better one, isn't it? Search tools by name or keyword. You know, that we extended the text there, we need the yeah, I'll just use that search tools by keyword. And yes, some of them are not coming up for certain drop-down items. For example, don't have Graphit coming up. Can turn it into a feature tool. Yeah, it will be in the featured list. The whole problem with Claude is trying to execute everything and anything on the site, on the server, for no particular reason. Ah, and using React too much. It's really pissing me off. It's always defaulting to using React. It's crazy. Just considering getting rid of it, like stop paying for it just for that reason. Yeah, ChatGPT tends to be more a tool agnostic. Yeah, and I like the editor as well. Did I change the interface or something? It wasn't working this way. Sometimes assuming the canvas is empty. Ah, yeah, now it's back. Spending too much time on the landing page. Yeah, this one will require more adjustments in the JavaScript. Oops. Yeah, this would not work as it is, would it? And no. Yeah, because you need something in the JavaScript. I wonder if it will be able to pick on it. Just do a review. Can you review the code just in the chat? Don't change any code yet. We'll do it in the next prompt. Yeah, this one. The no result message is included but never dynamically updated in the script. So just use that as a prompt. it's not actually doing anything. Yeah, it's getting stuck or something. Don't know what's up. Yeah, I'll need to break that landing page, obviously. It's currently all in one HTML of like 600, almost 700 lines. Okay, we had now variable count. Didn't actually get rid of anything, did it? It added another division. I don't know why. Okay, I'll have to do it manually quickly. Fortunately. Yeah, it should give us that being some rubbish. Yeah, no results found. Please try a different search filter. Get. And that works. So, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, probably the bad thing about the GPT-4, oh, well, great thing is it's just amazing. It's doing a lot of great stuff. the bad thing about it is that the longer you go with your chat, the less the performance seems to reduce significantly. So essentially you have to start the new chat very often, if not pretty much rely on single prompts. Claude is like that as well. So if I write the prompt at the bottom of the page, we need to refractor this code and split it up into shorter chunks so we can maintain it better. So if we pop it into another thing, we need to make sure that the search works well, so that for every drop down we have a keyword that essentially covers all the links, all the web applications and blogs on the website based on the description. Let's actually try to, oops. Again, we need to make sure that the drop-down search works well and all the links, titles, and descriptions of every link is covered by all the keywords. And let's actually try that in Claude. Claude in theory should have a longer context window, not as long as the 2 million for Google AI. There's so many buttons. And let's compare them. I didn't ask you to generate code, did I? I don't think I like PHP. So I have the index.html. We have PHP with all the descriptions, keywords. Probably, well, I mean, when I say I don't want to, I probably should rely on it. It's a much better coder than I am. Where's the meta PHP called? In the HTML. just commented out at the moment, is it? Yeah, particularly like Claude. And let's see what ChatGPT will have to say. And obviously, eventually we'll be also trying DeepSeek. I had actually trouble logging in that thing. I'll give it another go sometime soon. And the best, well, for live streaming, the best thing about the ChatGPT is that it has text to speech built in. It's a really good voice as well. Well, it's the best I heard so far. I haven't actually tried what's called that other service. I forgot the name. Okay, so it's actually splitting the code for me. It's not suggesting PHP file like Claude did, which I kind of appreciate. Why are they PHP file? It could have been JSON files. Okay, let's read this quickly. Okay, let's get back to it. Should I read this or generate an overview? I think because that code is not complete. Can you generate an overview without including any code? Optimize for text to speech.
The goal is to make the biomedical tools page easier to maintain.
Okay, now I can't hear it.
The goal is to make the biomedical tools page easier to maintain, more efficient, and user-friendly by breaking the large HTML file into smaller, manageable parts. The structure is redesigned to separate visual styling, functionality, and content into different files. This means the design rules go into a CSS file. Interactive features like the search bar and drop-down filters go into a JavaScript file, and the actual content, such as tool descriptions and links, is stored in a format that can be dynamically loaded, like JSON. For the drop-down search feature, we ensure every tool's title, description, and keywords are fully aligned with the categories. The search will match both user input and the selected category, so users can easily find tools based on their needs. This avoids redundancy and keeps the system efficient. Content is dynamically rendered on the page, so any updates to the tools or their details require changes only in the data file, not the main page. The system is designed to handle a growing number of tools, making updates and maintenance much simpler without disrupting functionality. Additionally, the user experience is improved by ensuring that all links, titles, and descriptions remain easy to navigate and well organized.
Actually, what's better in production, if all the code is in one HTML or split along different files? In terms of speed. Gemini is suggesting to turn it into HTML and 2 JavaScript. Doesn't sound ideal. I would have made just one. But anyhow, because I'm not coding it myself, I just doing it for the sake of the LLM being able to process the thing all at once. Yeah, what if we keep the code as is? Which LLM will actually be able to? We would like to edit like in the canvas. That's the other point. That's the other point. Because in the canvas we can actually guarantee that the changes, that when we editing the code, nothing else got stuffed up. Like over here, you can actually see what's being edited. That's really nice. Yeah, maybe DeepSeek will be able to do it. I don't know. Anyway, we have to wrap up. Go check the website. There's lots of interesting tools. I'm sure you will find something that is interesting to you. There's this interactive Venn diagram showing you AI types. It has this interactive stuff. You can collapse, go into details. We will eventually having another version of this that goes 3 levels or 4 levels down, down the rabbit hole of AI. So you could click on one of those circles and go deeper into the rabbit hole. Currently, just the 2-layer thingy. So go check it out. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye bye.